Encouraging signs, good news in the latest report on road safety, 48 hours ahead of Christmas Day. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, a season for shopping. Vendors in downtown Kingston on Christmas sales.
Traffic jam. Montego Bay struggles to cope with Christmas happenings.
Madam Commissioner, Novlet Grant to act as the top cop.
Succession plan. Ex-cops share their pick for police commissioner.
In the financial week, liquid eggs. A former MP ventures into that area.
There is also international stories, our bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But first, a feedback question.
What is your wish for this Christmas?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.